Part 2 of letter A. Letter A. This is letter V. Letter U. Letter V. But this one, letter C.
Kay Pastor, you did not give our country, the Philippines, the chance.
Hinain mo naman yan.
Yun ang masasabi ko sa inyo. Ayaw ninyo, walang mawawala kay Pastor. Babalik at babalik sa amin.
Hindi, wow.
At ami pang palalakuin. Kingdom.
Tok, 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 tok. Super excited naman itong ating
Ada.
Sara Diskaya noong araw
Letter A.
energy parang nasa concert lang. At hindi niya alam sa o siya'y matatambakan.
What? Letter A. Okay.
Ibigay nyo na.
Yeah, letter A have like. So comment down below what's next. I will make letter B next. Part 3. This is part 1 of me. I am making a letters out of clay. And part 2 is letter B. It is alphabetically arranged. Okay. You know? Okay. Part 2.